Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to create this beautiful goddess Lakshmi using paper quilling strips with this handmade paper lotus. Isn't it looking beautiful? And I thoroughly enjoyed making this beautiful idol. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm strips, some 5mm strips, quilling mold, half cut pearls, some ball chain and stone chains and some stones, quilling tool, pencil, scissor, oval base, liquid glue and silicone rubber glue. First I am starting with making the face and head part. So I have created this off-white tight coil using 5 strips, and now I am taking 5 strips of black color and making the back portion of the head. Here I am creating one tight coil and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. And to create face and head I am taking 3mm strips. So we have reached to the end and just secured this tight coil. So both the tight coils are ready. Now I am taking my quilling mold and shaping it like a dome shape and just add little glue between both the domes and connect with each other. So the face is ready. Now to create upper body we will be needed 2 tight coils. This tight coil is made using 8 strips of off-white 3mm, and again I am taking my quilling mold and making one less deeper dome, and this tight coil is made using 8 strips of 5mm green color, and this dome I am making using my fingers because I needed little deeper dome. I am just tapping the center of this dome using backside of my glue bottle to create a flat surface. Now add glue between both the domes and connect with each other. Like this. Now I am starting with the sleeves. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of 5mm green color and I am making one cone shape. Like this. And also I have created hands using the same procedure, and I have used 1.5 strip of peach color 5mm. Now I am taking this 1/4 strip of peach color 3mm and I am making one small ring like this. I am just connecting this ring with the hands so that we can connect our palm easily through the ring. Like this. Now to create palm I am taking 1.5 strip of 3mm peach color and making one tight teardrop shape. And then just connect your palm with the hands. So according to the requirement you can change the position of palm. Now I am starting with the legs. So I have already prepared one side leg. This is a folded leg, and for this we need these type of cones, one big and one small. This larger cone is made using 3 strips of red color 5 mm and the smaller cone is made using 2 strips of red color 5 mm. Now take your smaller cone. I have already added glue inside both the cones, and when it is semi-dried, just take a small cone and cut like a V shape, and you can connect with the larger dome like this. So just add glue and hold it for some time. So legs are ready. Now I am taking this big tight coil dome which is made using 12 strips of red color 5 mm. This is made using the just same process as we did before, and this is made using 3 mm strips. This is little lesser heighted dome, and for this also I have used 12 strips of 3 mm red color, and this tight coil is made using 4 strips of off-white 5 mm. Now I am joining all the parts. Now take the upper body and connect on top of this. And also I have created this neck by using 1 strip of 3 mm peach color, just like we created the ring for the hands, and I am connecting the neck like this. And also I will add both the legs with the bottom red dome. Like this. Now here I have decorated the sleeves using golden color strip, and I will show you how to attach hands with the sleeves. So here I am creating back side hands, and just add little glue and connect like this. In the same way, I have attached these front hands like this. So it's done. And also I have created the foot using 1.5 strip of 3 mm peach color, just like we created the palm, and connected the foot with the legs. So keep the hands aside for drying. And now I'm showing you how to create nose and ears. For this I have just cut my 1/4 strip of 3 mm peach color from the center, and I have created 1.5 mm strip. So just take your tool and make a teardrop shape. If you have 2 mm strips, you can directly use that. So the ear is ready. In the same way I have created 2 ears and 1 nose. Now taking back the face, and I will add ears and nose. Now I am creating features like eyes, lips using black gel pen and 1 small piece of red color for the lips. And for the eyeballs I am using black color small bindi. Now I am adding 1 red bindi on the forehead, and for the jhumka I have created these small domes using 1/4 strip of golden color 2 mm, and I am connecting these earrings or jhumka with the ears. like this. Now take back your base and I will add the dupatta or the pallu of the sari. So I am just taking some 1/4 strips of red color 5 mm and I am arranging these as a plates one by one like this. So this is done. Now I'm just adding the border by using golden color strip. So pallu is ready. Now here I have created this fan kind of shape using 5 mm green color strips. I have just added small pieces of strips one by one and created a fan shape. So I am adding this in the front like this. That is the part of the sari. Now I will connect face. So it's completely dried and I have added some ornaments here by using some golden ball chains and stone chains and some stones. I have added necklace, earrings and some bangles. Now I will add backside hands. Hold it for some time. So it's dried and this is done. Now I will start with the hairs. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of black color 3 mm and first create a tight coil and then just open the tight coil and twist it using your fingers. So you will get a beautiful curly or wavy strip. In the same way I have created lots of hairs. So I will start adding hairs one by one and I will cover all back portion. So after adding all the hairs, it will look like this. Here I have added one stone in the center just as an ornament for the hair. Isn't it looking nice? And here I have created this beautiful crown. For this I have used 6 strips of golden color. I have created this cone and for this I used 3 mm strips and decorated with some ball chains. And this ring is made using 4 strips of 3 mm yellow color. I just wrapped yellow strip around my bottle to create this ring and decorated with some stones. So I am connecting the crown with the face. Now our Lakshmi ji is completely ready and it's looking super gorgeous. Here I have created these 2 small lotus. For one petal I have used 1/4 strip of pink color and created a leaf shape. So joined 3 leaf petals to create this lotus. So I am adding both the lotus with the hands and it's done. Now it's time to make a asan. So I'm creating a lotus asana, and for this light pink petal I am taking 3.5 strips of 3 mm light pink and making one tight leaf dome shape. Like this. And for this dark pink I have used 3 strips of dark pink 3 mm to create this tight leaf dome. So we need total 18 petals for both the colors, so 18 for each. Now here I am taking these two oval shapes and I have used this cardboard and wrapped with the yellow and red papers. The diameter of this oval shape is approx 9.5 on this side and 7 on this side. And for this red one the diameter is 10.5 and 7.5 on this side. Now I have added some pieces of cardboard on the base of both the ovals, so I'm just connecting the yellow one with the red one. And then I will start adding my petals. So I'm starting with the dark pink shade petals. Here I am taking this silicone glue. So first I am adding one layer of silicone glue in the bottom. The silicone glue gives us very nice opportunity to add any shape in a 3D manner. If you don't have silicone glue, you can also use hot glue gun. So just add your petals one by one around this oval. It's done. Now it's time to add light pink shape. So in the bottom between two dark pink petals I will add this light pink petal in the opposite direction like this. It's done and it's looking super beautiful. Now I'm decorating the edge of this yellow oval using white color half cut pearls. And it's done. Now take back your Lakshmi Ji, and here I have added some coins by using my hole punch machine. I have just punched some golden color paper using my hole punch machine and added with the hands to create golden coins. Now I will connect the Lakshmi Ji with the base, and it's done. So the beautiful quilled Lakshmi ji with the lotus Singhasan is completely done. I'm sure you will try this very soon. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.